Hi! Welcome to Native English Vibes, where I share simple tips to help you improve your English language. If you like the channel, subscribe now and click the bell icon. Today, we're diving into something you probably see all the time when texting or chatting online: text abbreviations. Ever wondered what PLS or SRY really mean? Or why people use them so much? Well, in this video, we're going to explore the most common ones and what they stand for. So stick around, and let's decode the world of texting together. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.